Are you there, guys? Is everything perfect? Class content, Advanced Java, NTAJ 414. September 1st. Yes. September 1st. What is that, guys? September 1st. PostgreSQL. Now we will study PostgreSQL, guys. Okay, PostgreSQL. Tell me now. Type. Type. Multi-user database software version. I think 20. I think some latest version. I think I don't have installation of PostgreSQL in this mission. Let me check what is the latest version of PostgreSQL. I don't download. I will try to use the existing one. Softwares, guys. PostgreSQL. I think I have latest 13.x. Maybe other versions might be there. Okay, what I have is 13.x. Vendor, Enterprise DB, default port number. Okay, 5432. Next, default logical DB. Default logical DB. What is that? Postgres. Admin username. Don't confuse. This is also Postgres. Admin password. It should be chosen during installation. Should be chosen during the installation. Yeah. Now the question that comes is, why should we choose? Why should we use PostgreSQL? SQL database software. Listen. Oracle database software is commercial, and it is suitable for large scale projects. MySQL database software is MySQL data. And there is a possibility of Oracle Corporation killing the MySQL database process are preferring to use PostgreSQL. I think you convinced, my dear. PostgreSQL database. Listen. Use built-in GUI DB tool. GUI DB tool. What is that, guys? Easy admin. Use built-in GUI DB tool called PG admin. PostgreSQL admin. How MySQL gives MySQL workbench. Similarly, here you will get PG admin. PG admin. Got it, my dear? Understood my statement? Convinced, guys? Okay, boss. I think everyone convinced. Now we have to think about installing PostgreSQL now. Right click, run as administrator, say yes. Say next. Next. I need all the things. Next. Asking to choose the password, Bob. I said, no. I'll choose password as a tiger. Remember, what you choose, you remember. Next. Default port number. Select the locale to be used for new database cluster. Default only. Fine. Say next. Okay, say next. Now installation is started, Babu. Much time, it won't take much time, Babu. And how many database knowledge are required as a person? EDB, Enterprise Database. That's a vendor company name, my boss. That's the Enterprise DB is the company name. Who is the vendor of? How many database knowledge is required? Oracle is sufficient, Rabu. If you learn Oracle, that is more than sufficient. Anything extra, added advantage. Anything extra, added advantage. Procedure to create logical DB having DB table with records in PostgreSQL. Database in PostgreSQL database in PostgreSQL database. Say next. Say finish. Stack builder. Must select one thing before installing the. Let's select database server. We'll select I should select one package, which I selected entire package. Now, PostgreSQL server. One minute, I don't think that stack is required, Rama. I don't think that stack is required. Let's cancel. Yes. Okay. Not required. We can cancel the stack. Already PostgreSQL is installed. We can continue with that. Okay. Procedure to create all this stuff. First, see the procedure, guys. Here is my PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL. I have to search for PostgreSQL installation, PostgreSQL documentation, PostgreSQL. Yeah, PostgreSQL jars are there. Where is my software download about it? Let me search for PZ admin. PZ admin. We got PZ admin here now, boss. Yes. Click on it. PZ admin. Yeah, step number 1. Launch PZ admin tool of PostgreSQL. Yeah, this is the built-in GUI tool, Robert. Step number 1. Launch PZ admin tool of PostgreSQL database. Okay, PostgreSQL database. Asking password, Bob. I have given Tiger. Yes, boss. Again asking password, Tiger. Save password, Bob. Save password. Done. After that, what next? We created one logical database, Postgres. Right click, create database. Create database. We are creating one logical database here. Okay. Please wait. It is fetching the information from server. It is not responding. Shift the page. Some issue, guys. PZ admin, guys. Already we are having default logical database here. Yeah. And logical databases have come. This is the default logical database. I would like to create new logical database. What's happening, Rababu? What's happening? PostgreSQL is not installed properly. Services.msc Rao. Yeah, all services will be there. All installed services will be there. All installed services will be there. Okay. PostgreSQL running. PostgreSQL is running in certain port number. About PostgreSQL 13th version. Okay. Restart the database software. I think some connectivity issue is coming now, boss. Yeah, it is now asking database name, guys. We'll create our with our class with our batch code only. NTAJ414DB. Any name we can give, not a problem. Owner, this is the username. This is the username. Click on save. Click on save. One logical database is created or not? One logical database is created or not? Okay. Step number 2. Create logical DB in PostgreSQL database. Create logical DB in PostgreSQL database. Yeah, what is this? Expand servers. Expand servers PostgreSQL 13 databases. Okay, there right click. Expand servers PostgreSQL 13. Right click on databases. Right click on databases. New. Right click on databases. New. Name. What is the name, guys? New name. Tell me. NTAJ 414D. NTAJ 414D. NTAJ 414D. Yes, boss. NTAJ 414D. After that, what next, guys? NTAJ 414DB. We are ready with this one, Robert. Postgres. Who is the owner? Postgres. Then save. Okay. Schema is logical database, of course. Logical database is nothing but for logical database with table structures. Okay. Now we have to think about creating table, Robert. See, guys, schemas. There is an option called what? Table, right? All the items that are created in one logical database is called one schema. Okay, here we have a tables option. Next step. Create DB table. create a DB table in the logical database of DB of Postgres. In the logical DB of Postgres. In the logical DB of Postgres. Here is my schemas, guys. Here is my schemas. Expand logical database, expand schemas, right click on tables, create a new table. Create a new table. I will take table name as product. Okay, fine, guys. I'll take table name as what? Product. This is one screen. Table name as product. This is screen one. Okay, next, columns. Here we have to think about adding columns. Right. PID, data type. Here integer is there, integer is not there. Number is there, numeric is there. Any length you want to allow? 10. Any length you want to allow? 10. Do you want to allow null values? Not null, yes. You want to make it primary key? Yes. Okay, done. Next one, what is there, guys? P name. Okay. Varchar 2. Varchar 2 is not there. Then what is this? Character varying is there. Character varying is there, 25. Done. Then price. Price. Okay, here float is there or not there? Real. Real is there. Real is there. So real length is cannot be taken. Then what is there, guys? Quantity. Quantity also real. Quantity also real. Right? Quantity also real. Quantity also real. Superna, guys. Quantity also real. Create table in the logical database of PostgreSQL. Done. Click on save. Click on save. Yeah, now we have to think about completing the whole process now. What is the process? Expand. Expand NTAJ 414 DB. Expand NTAJ 414 DB. Right now, boss? Okay. So next one. Array. What about graph? Array, some graphical representation they might have given. So many things will be there. Okay. Expand 414 DB. Expand. Expand. What is that? Schemas are public, Arababu. Expand schemas are public. What we got? Schemas, then public. Expand schemas, comma, public, right click on tables. Expand schemas, then public. It is next, right click on DB tables. Array logical database tables creation is not. Keep quiet now. Why are you assuming your own meanings? Creating logical database tables, procedures, functions, All this comes together is called schemas, right? Muddy fellows. If you don't study database properly, keep quiet. Now, why are you assuming your own things? Logical database, its content is together is called a schema. Okay. So table creation, views creation, all these operations together is called schema, ra babu. Schema is not a magical thing. Okay. Now tell me name of the table. After this, what this? This one. After this one. There what save. There we create save. Make sure that these are enabled. Make sure that these are enabled. Yes, yes. Then table is ready, Raghav. Now I want to insert the records into the table. Step number 4. Yeah, bit different, Raghav. Its GUI is totally different. Be careful. Insert records into DB table. Inserts record into DB table. Here, what is the option? Right click on product, Raghav. Okay. Right click on product. There is a script. There in that one, insert script. In the insert script, 101 is there. Table is there. Price 80,000. Quantity 10. Quantity 10. Right now, boss. Super. Select this. What is there, guys? Select this. Select this. Here we have to execute the query. I think there is a execution, boss. Query execution where we can see that. Query execution. Save. Okay, save file. Where we can see the play button. Here we have execute. Query rate successful. Query rate successful. You want to insert one more record? Okay, chair, Babu. Chair. Here is what? 102. Here is 9,000. Here is 20. Nice, boss. Click on it, then query return. This is second one, right? Second one. Okay, now you want to check whether records are inserted or not. Let me take the screenshot of this, including play button. Including play button, say paste. How to do this work, guys? Right click on product DB table. Right click on product DB table. Scripts. What is that? Insert script. Script. Insert script. Babu. Script. Insert script. Replace the question marks with values. Replace the question marks with values. Replace the question marks symbols with values. Values like this. Then execute button. Then execute button. execute the code. Execute the SQL. Tell me, guys. Execute the SQL. You guys got the point. Fine, my dears. Yes. See, when I try to execute, you are getting this. Okay, I want to view all the records, Rabab. When you want to view all the records, right click on table, all rows. View data, all rows. Okay, 101 table. Okay, 8010. 102, 90,020. Came now, boss. Right. Display the records. View the records. Step number 5. View the records. Tell me how to view the records, guys. Right click on product DB table. View records. Right click on product DB table. View DB table. View data. View data. And what is that? View or edit data. View or edit data always. View or edit data always. Yeah, from front end we can insert one record at a time. Because insert query can insert one record at a time. Okay, if you want from front end application, you can go for bulk insertion by taking loop and all this stuff. I think now we are ready, boss. First of all, those are asking, sir, we should insert only one row at a time. Na. Those are asking this question. First of all, tell me, insert SQL query can insert how many records at a time, boss? Insert SQL query can insert only one record at a time, na, boss. So same theory here also. Okay, boss. Next. The enterprise DB supplied. Enterprise DB. The enterprise DB supplied. Type 4 mechanism base JSQL is technically called as PostgreSQL. Come on, guys. PostgreSQL in it is definite right. Are you understanding my statement, guys? PostgreSQL thing. Okay. The details are what are the details, my dear? We have to gather driver class name and other stuff or not? Yeah, the details are what is that? JDBC driver class name. Driver class name. org dot PostgreSQL dot right. org dot PostgreSQL dot JDBC URL Rabo. JDBC PostgreSQL 3 slashes logical DB for local PostgreSQL. database software. Same thing about JDBC colon PostgreSQL colon PostgreSQL colon PostgreSQL colon. Here we have to pass. It is that actually here 3 is also not required. Directly logical DB you can pass. PostgreSQL colon. Tell me. It is not same as MySQL. Here 3 are not required. PostgreSQL colon. Here the host name and port number. You have to pass host. Okay. Port / logical key. For remote PostgreSQL database. For remote PostgreSQL database. PostgreSQL database. Next one, jar file about. Next, we have to worry about jar file. We have to worry about jar file, right? Guys, are you able to listen my voice? Guys, any noise is coming from outside? No noise? You are not able to listen any songs from outside? It's clear? Super then. Super then. What is the jar file we should pass? What is the jar files? Go to npmrepository.com. Tell me here. PostgreSQL driver. PostgreSQL driver. PostgreSQL JDBC driver. Here we have this. PostgreSQL JDBC driver. Latest is this. Okay, guys. Here is the jar. Click on it. Click on the jar file. Is it not downloading? It is not downloading the file. It is already downloaded. Open file, Babu. Open file. I think it will be there where it will be there where downloads folder. You can see all this stuff in what downloads folder. Yes, this is the name of the jar file. This is the jar file. Supports auto loading of JDBC drive. Supports auto loading of JDBC drive. Got it, guys? JDBC driver class name, JDBC URL jar file. This is my jar file, brother. Got it? Okay. Okay, we got the information, Babu. Next. Proceeds on example application to interact with PostgreSQL database software. Okay, from Eclipse ID. From Eclipse ID. Step number 1, Rababu. Make sure that PostgreSQL database software is in running mode. Is in running mode. Having logical database with DB table. Having logical database. Understanding my statement, guys? Having logical database with DB table and records. Yeah, already there it's running Rabot. Step number 2. Okay, I ask you to remind how to execute both select and non-select for using single method call. You forgot, boss? Did you forgot that? No problem. Tomorrow you remind me. Okay. Gather PostgreSQL thin JDBC driver details to thin JDBC driver details to come on guys. Eclipse ID. Thin JDBC driver details to Eclipse ID. Right click. Right. What is that, guys? Right. Build path. Configure build path. Come on. Class path. External jars. PostgreSQL jar. Apply this. Apply this. Come on, guys. Gather PostgreSQL thin JDBC driver details to Eclipse ID. Eclipse ID. Next one, run the application. Okay, guys. Next one. 1 minute. What is that? Right click on the project. Eclipse ID. No, 1 minute. I think I mixed up second and third steps. It seems. Thin driver details. Fine. Add PostgreSQL JDBC driver software jar file to the build path of Eclipse ID. Build path of Eclipse ID. Build path of Eclipse ID. How to add, guys? Right click on the project, build path, configure build path. Okay, tell me, guys. Right click on project, guys. Right click on project, build path, configure build path. Build path, configure build path. Come on, guys. Build path, configure build path. There, libraries tab, class path, add external jars. Add external jar. Browse and select the jars. Browse and select the jars. What is the name of the jar we have to select, guys? This is the jar. Generally, it will be there in what folder? Downloads folder, right? It will be there in which folder? Downloads. Step number 4. Okay, what is step number 4? Develop the application. Is that develop the application? Let's concentrate on apply and close, develop the application. Right click, new. Okay, class. Okay, PostgreSQL select test. PostgreSQL select test. I would like to get all the records that are there. Then what is there? Try. Auto loading of driver class. No need of driver manager dot get connection. And driver manager dot get connection. JDBC colon PostgreSQL colon. What is this? NTAJ 414 DB. What is that, guys? NTAJ 414 DB. What's the username, guys? Postgres. What is the password, guys? What's the password, guys? Come on, tell me. We created Tiger, right? Okay, we create Tiger. It's not case sensitive, boss. Okay, fine. If case sensitive, we'll change what is there. Next, what is that? Prepared statement. PS is equal to con.dot prepare statement of select star from student. Select star from product. Select star from product. Select star from product. Open floor bracket, guys. End of the try. Yeah, select star from product. Try with resource. Next, we can go for results at RS is equal to PS dot execute query. Okay. Results at RS is equal to PS dot execute query. Nice, boss. Here is my catch block. SQL exception SC dot print status. Next, catch exception E dot print status. E dot print status. Got it, guys. E dot print status. Cool, guys. Results at RS is equal to PS dot execute. If R is not equal to null, if R is not equal to null, while R is dot next. Super say sys out. RS dot get int of 1 product ID. RS dot get string of 2 product name. Next, RS dot get float of 3. Next, RS dot get float of 4. Nice. End of the while loop, guys. End of the if condition. End of the while loop, end of the if condition. Main method here, class. Yes, main method here, class. We are just performing select operation. So, Patel database does not exist. I think it is becoming case sensitive. Let me check. NTAJ 414D. Yeah, sometimes most of the database are not case sensitive about it. Sometimes it becomes, be careful. So there are two records and we are getting both the records. Easy or not. Okay, if we pass lengthy URL, how to handle that? If we pass lengthy URL, how to handle that situation? So let's concentrate on how to pass lengthy URL. Let's concentrate how to handle lengthy URL. Okay. Local host, guys. Local host 5432 5432 colon NTAJ here colon not there slash /. Let's have a look. Local host 5432. No, here at the rates, all these are not required. Array, don't forget, this is what? This is what? My PostgreSQL at the rate is only in Oracle thin driver. At the rate is only in Oracle thin driver, right? I think somewhere 2 slashes are 1 minute. Yeah, syntax. You can refer from the internet, you can get it. Unable to parse the URL. Unable to parse the URL. 3 slashes means 2 slashes here, single slash. Let me try this. Traditional methodology. Traditional. Now it's coming. 2 slashes here, single slash. Clear, guys? Okay, I think I have to change something to it here. Okay, URL. This is perfect, Rababu. Bit change is there. Bit small change. 2 slashes. Two slashes there. Got it, guys? Develop the application. PostgreSQL select API. Yeah, before local host only, na? Before local host only 2 slashes, right? Acha. It's gone wrong. Huh? I understood. It should be before. It should be taken before. Nice. Super boss. Got the clarity, guys? Everyone understood? Develop the application. This is the application. Okay, now this, I want to insert the record to product table, but I want to generate primary key column value dynamically. Okay, in case of Oracle sequence, we have used. In case of MySQL, we have used auto increment, right? But in case of PostgreSQL, what is there? In case of PostgreSQL, what is there? That question eats our brain or not? In case of PostgreSQL, what is there? Here also we are having sequences. Here we are having sequences or not, boss? Here we are having sequences or not? Okay. At the same time, let's check other possibilities. Let's check other possibilities. Right? Properties of the table, Rababu. Columns came, advanced, constraints. Okay, only primary key constraint is there. Check unique exclude is there. Parameters are not there. Security is not there. SQL is not there. So only what option is left, guys? Only what option is left? Sequence is left, right? Shall I start the working with the sequence, right? Create a new sequence. What is the name? PID underscore sequence. PID underscore sequence. Nice. PID underscore sequence. Open the properties, Babu. Definition. Current value 1, increment by 1, start with 1, minimum 1, maximum this. Okay, guys, 1. That's enough. SQL not required. SQL means query. Yeah, these two things we should take now, boss. So we need to think about creating sequence. Yeah, don't think that everywhere same syntax. Syntax may be different. Okay. Sequence creation in PostgreSQL. Sequence creation in PostgreSQL. Okay. Right. Step number 1. Expand logical DB. What is that? NTAJ 414 DB. Expand logical DB, right? Okay, next. Okay, next one, schemas. Schemas, then public. Schemas, then public, Rabo. PID underscore sequence, Rababu. PID underscore sequence. Right. Current value on this one. If you want, you can take other one also. Increment start with 100. Okay. Current value also 100 I am taking. Fine. Okay, boys. Definition one. Definition. This is the definition. Okay. Yeah. Every database is not same. Every GUI tool is not same, Rabo. Right. Save it, my dear. Got. Fine, nice guys. So we are ready with the sequence, Rabo. We are ready with the sequence. Then what is there? Save. After doing all these things, just go for save. Right. Sequence creation is over, Rabo. Yeah, there is no step separately, Rabo. Sequence creation is over. You can happily end the sequence creation. Yeah. Note in PostgreSQL, can use we can use sequence support. We can use sequence support. Now tell me, guys, to insert. We can use sequence support to insert to insert value to PK column by making it a surrogate key column. Guys, by making it as a surrogate key column. In surrogate key column only we do those things now, boss? Yes, boss. Example application to insert the record to the DB table of Postgres. The DB table of PostgreSQL database. The DB table of PostgreSQL database. Understanding my statement, guys? Got it? Yeah. Now, listen. But in Arikil, how to get the sequence value? How to get the sequence generated value in Arikil database software? Tell me. How to get the sequence generated value in Arikil database software? Sequence dot next value. But do you think same syntax should be here also? Do you really think here also same syntax should be there? No, na. Okay. I too don't know. I forgot. I too forgot. Then when you forgot something, what you have to do? You have to tell me. Google it. You have to Google it. Getting sequence value from PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL. Select sequence schema, sequence name from information schema order by sequence name. No, yeah. How to use this? How to use? Okay. Setting sequence value in the insert query. In the insert SQL query of PostgreSQL. In the insert SQL query of PostgreSQL. Set value is different. Create sequence created. Create table done. Here what is that? Here what is that, Rabo? Here what is that? Insert into. Where is that, Rabo? Where is that? Employee ID generated dynamically. That's fine. But here next val of sequence. This is different is there. Here difference next value of sequence name, right? Next val of sequence name. Getting my point, guys? Okay. Array inspiration Rob already forgot story inspired. File save as. Array default value if no value is there. PostgreSQL insert test. PostgreSQL insert test. PostgreSQL insert test. PostgreSQL insert test.jar. PostgreSQL insert test. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. This is fine. Here, what is the query, guys? Let's take the query now. Private static final string. Private static final string. Tell me, guys. Okay. Insert underscore product underscore query. Insert underscore product and insert into product. Insert into product. Come on. Insert into product. Okay. Remaining 4 question marks. Fine. This is for product name. This is for product name. This is for what? Price. This is for quantity. I think 3 question marks are sufficient. Right. Okay. Here, what is the function we are having, guys? What is the inspiration? Next val sequence. Next val sequence. What is the sequence? PID underscores. Next val PID underscore sequence semicolon. I think ready. Next val PID underscore sequence ready, Rahul. Check it out. Next val. Yeah, next val. This one. Right. That is done. Okay, no need of result set here. No need of result set here. Open floor bracket. Close the if condition. Done. So here is what? Scanner, guys. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system.in. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay, guys. If SC not equal to null, sysout, enter product name. Okay, product name. String name is equal to null. Okay, double price is equal to 0.0. Quantity is equal to 0.0. Nice, Babu. Name is equal to SC dot next. Product price Babu here. Yeah, what is this? Price is equal to SC dot next double. SC dot next double. Copy these guys, paste. Enter product quantity. Okay, I will change the query was. Yeah, this one. We have to change now, boss. System dot out dot println. Next here, next double here. System dot out dot println. Okay. Enter product quantity. This is my quantity, Rabbi. Quantity is equal to this. Here is my name, here is my price, here is my quantity. Understanding my statement? Name of the product, name of the price, name of the quantity. Name of the quantity. Super boss. Name, price, quantity. Name, price, quantity. Tell me next one. Read values to read values from end user. Okay. Next, set values to query params. Everything is same, Ra Babu, only syntactical differences are there. If P is not equal to null, P is not equal to null, set to string 1 comma name. P to string them as a double values. Set double 2 comma price. Set double 3 comma quantity. 3 comma quantity. Next, execute the code. If P is not equal to null, there itself we can write the code. No need of taking again separate one. In same if condition, we can int count is equal to PS dot execute update. Process the result. If count double equal to 0, sys out, record not inserted, else record insert. Got it, guys? Else record insert. End of the if condition. End of the if condition. Cool, guys, got the clarity? PostgreSQL insert test.